I'm at Recovered Carbon Black Europe in Barcelona with Rio. Hello, Rio.
Hi, Martin.
Rio, you're from Kal Tire. You have an exciting project in Chile where you convert the fillet of the tires, the OTR tires,
Yep.
into oil and recovered carbon black.
Exactly.
What's the news? I heard your reprocessing line is making progress.
Yeah, we are currently, developing and implementing a new rCB upgrading process. We already are, ramping up the operation for the pyrolysis. We are already actively processing, pyrolysing 500 tons of waste mining tires monthly basis, and we're currently implementing a new upgrading process to improve the quality of rCB. It basically consists of additional heating using microwave technology together with our partner, and it also consists of milling and pelletizing process so that we can market it to the rubber industry principally, but also targeting to the masterbatch industry, etc.
Excellent. There was a time I really looked a lot at microwave, and I thought that microwave would have scaled and been industrialized much quicker. But I also know companies that retrofit microwave like you do. There's, for example, one in England. How do you like the conference so far?
The conference, it's great. It's great to get together every year here. All the main stakeholders, players in industries gathering together. It's a great opportunity to create this kind of networks. Great to know the advances that each and every players are putting effort in. So yeah, I'm happy to participate again and look forward to participating again next year.
Thank you very much, Rio.